HR processes and systems extend to every part of your organization and play a critical role in its success. And with Oracle HCM Cloud, you're able to leverage the complete, adaptable, intelligent, and personal system to be able to put together the workforce of the future. How many vendors and separate systems does it take right now to manage all of your businesses, even just your HR processes? With Oracle HCM Cloud, you're able to utilize the most complete system for managing end-to-end business processes. All of these processes are natively integrated, thus getting you out of the business of any redundant data entry, while also delivering best practices to make sure that you're able to take advantage of all the latest innovation and thought in the area of HCM. Let's take a look at what some of those processes within the system look like. Recruiting and applicant tracking are the first face that a person has into what it would be like to work for your organization. You want to give them an experience that's engaging, that's innovative, and that makes them want to become a part of your organization. When you're competing with the commercial world, you need to really be able to highlight what your organization has to offer, what would make it an exceptional place to work, and what would be an unusual aspect of working for your organization. And these external job portals are designed to be tailored just to highlight such information. You're able to easily show all of your prospective applicants what exactly it would be like to work for your organization, what opportunities are available, and you're providing them with engaging tools to be able to go through the application process to become a potential employee for your organization. By giving them an experience that's innovative as well as easy to use, you're engaging them immediately as an applicant so that you're able to attract the best and the brightest to your organization. With Oracle HCM Cloud, you're able to extend that innovative culture as well as that positive user experience to the onboarding process as well, so that as your employees are starting, they're given the tools to guide them through the onboarding process to get them as productive as quickly as possible. When I switch over to the application and look at it from the perspective of a new hire, we'll see from this employee's dashboard a very easy to see link that draws them into their onboarding tasks. When I access onboarding, this new employee is given a very clear view into what the next steps are for that onboarding process. Here we can see that we're able to line up those steps in the sequence in which we would like them to be completed. We can indicate if there are prerequisites for any of those steps before moving forward, but the aim is to draw them in and make it easy for them to understand all the steps that need to occur for onboarding, as well as automating it and taking advantage of the easy-to-use self-service features. Another aspect of the completeness of the Oracle solution is the fact that we've encompassed all areas of talent management within the product as well. So within the area of learning management, we're able to extend the tools to our employees to help them understand not only compliance-based training, but also career development type training that's available for them. When I switch back into our employee and go to her dashboard, she can easily drill in to her learning link to be able to see exactly what current learning has been assigned to her, what recommendations have been made to her, is she a part of any specific learning communities. By these easy to follow prompts, she's able to easily see any compliance-based training that's been assigned, as well as consume it in the device of her choice. The tool itself is geared towards the YouTube generation in terms of being able to deliver just-in-time training that is in consumable bites from the device of your choice. To continue the completeness of the solution in terms of promoting an innovative and engaging culture, we also deliver tools to manage the ongoing career and performance of our employees. With our career development tool, we're able to use predictive elements to be able to suggest career tracks for our employees, as well as to highlight tools within the talent management area that will provide employees with the skills that they need to achieve any gaps in careers that they're interested in exploring. When I switch back to the employee that we've been looking at from the employee perspective, and I go to her dashboard, I can access an area that's called Career and Performance. From her Career and Performance dashboard, this particular employee is able to manage her skills and qualifications, be able to easily see any strategic goals that are assigned to her, any performance documents that are associated with her, but also to actively participate in her own personal career development. By accessing the career development link, she's able to see what the system, as well as perhaps her manager or an HR administrator, is suggesting to her would be great roles for her to pursue into the future. So here we're able to see currently that she is a very good fit to transition in the future to an attorney 2 level type position. From this dashboard, she can see her level of fit. She can also see colleagues who are currently in this role if she wanted to establish a mentoring type relationship or to at least ask questions. And then she's able to see what the core requirements are for this particular job classification, as well as understand what the gaps are between what her skill set has and the role actually requires. Here we can see that she's actually a pretty good fit, but she is lacking leadership skills right now. By drilling into that particular competency, she gets kind of an informal overview of what that particular competency entails, and then the system also proactively suggests for her development opportunities by going to the learning catalog and looking for any type of training that's currently offered that fulfills or closes that particular skill gap. She's able to enroll in that course straight from this dashboard, as well as to add a goal that's targeting closing this particular skill gap. In addition to the tools that we've talked about to help manage attracting applicants, hiring them easily and in an automated fashion, onboarding them with these very easy to use guided steps through self-service, as well as enhancing their career path, we also want to deliver tools that engage and encourage a sense of community for our employees overall. So with tools like My Wellness, Workforce Health and Safety, and My Volunteering, we're able to encourage aspects such as opting in to wellness initiatives, as well as getting feedback on wellness competitions. With Workforce Health and Safety, our employees are able to easily identify safety issues, report them, be a part of making the environment a safer place to work. And with My Volunteering, we're able to encourage not only the organization, but individual employees to encourage different volunteering opportunities so that we're enhancing that sense of community for our employees overall. In order to encourage self-service features for our managers and HR administrators, we also want to deliver easy-to-use tools to facilitate paperless processes. We want to be able to encourage end-to-end business processes that are initiated through self-service and move paperlessly through your workflow to automate those processes that have been traditionally more paper-based. When I switch over and take a look at the application from the perspective of a manager, we're able to see this particular employee's dashboard. Gretchen is not only an employee, but she is a manager with direct reports. So from her dashboard, she's able to easily see details about her team. From this location, she can drive in and take a look at particulars about Jen Jacobs, one of her direct reports. Down the left-hand side, it links in all different areas that a manager may need to have quick access to for his or her direct reports, as well as being able to easily initiate a personnel action for a specific employee. In addition, from the dashboard, managers have access to what we call quick actions. So one-click access into initiating the most common types of personnel actions, so that Gretchen can very easily click on the promote quick action and indicate that she wants to facilitate promoting Jen to the next level. She also, since we have this notion of self-guided transactions, you're able to tell the system for your organization exactly how a promotion should flow through the process, as well as what related transactions could be processed at the same time. So in addition to promoting Jen, she also needs to change her compensation. This then really makes the personnel action as concise as possible so that Gretchen is asked to answer only the appropriate questions for this particular process. She can then indicate what the effective date is for the promotion and continue through the question and answer process to provide the system with all the information needed to facilitate this particular approval process, all guided and matched to your organization's specific rules. And the aim of the tools overall is to really provide a complete set of tools that can be utilized on any device of choice, whether you're viewing or initiating transactions from a phone, a tablet, a PC, or a laptop. You want to be able to have the same intuitive self-service experience that is geared towards the individual user. Oracle HCM delivers a complete cloud. It delivers the full lifecycle management for an employee, from recruitment all the way through to retire. And embedded within all of those processes are tools to engage your employees, to increase your operational efficiency, as well as to empower HR best practices. With Oracle HCM Cloud, we're enabling you to create tomorrow today.